Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the corporate world. Today we are diving into a filing from News Corporation. Don't worry, it's not as boring as it sounds, or maybe it is, we'll see. This report is about News Corp buying back its own stock. It's like when you buy something you already own, but why would a company do that? Well, let's find out. This report is dated April 9, 2025, so it's fairly recent. This is a Form 8K filing, which is basically a current report companies file to announce major events to their investors. It's like a corporate breaking news bulletin. The company we're looking at today is News Corporation, or News Corp for short. They're a big media company with a lot of well-known brands. The point of this filing is to tell everyone about News Corp's stock repurchase program, which is also called a buyback program. They plan to buy back shares, meaning they're going to purchase their own stock up to $1 billion. Now, there's a section that talks about forward-looking statements. These are basically predictions about the future. The company warns that these statements might not come true because, well, the future is uncertain. They mention things like changes in the stock market price, general market conditions, and securities laws can affect these statements. The filing includes some exhibits. These are additional documents that provide more details. In this case, they seem to be related to information provided to the Australian Securities Exchange, or ASX. News Corp has two main classes of stock, Class A and Class B. They are traded on the Nasdaq stock market under the ticker symbols NWSA and NWS respectively. So what's the story here? News Corp is telling the Australian Stock Exchange that they are buying back their own shares. It's like when a company believes its stock is undervalued, so it buys back shares to reduce the number of shares available. This increases the ownership stake of each remaining share and can sometimes drive up the stock price. This document was signed by Michael L. Bunda, Senior Vice President, Deputy General Counsel and Corporate Secretary. He is an important person at News Corp that helps them navigate regulatory rules. Now, let's analyze what this stock buyback might mean. Is it a sign of strength or a way to artificially inflate the stock price? That's the million-dollar question. A stock buyback can be a signal that the company thinks its stock is cheap. They are essentially investing in themselves. It can also return value to shareholders by increasing earnings per share and potentially boosting the stock price. This can look very attractive to investors. However, it can also be a sign that the company lacks better investment opportunities. Instead of investing in new projects or acquisitions, they're simply buying back their own stock. News Corp is a well-established media company listed on the Nasdaq exchange. FT, what's the bottom line? News Corp's stock buyback program could be seen as a positive sign. It suggests the company has confidence in its future prospects. However, investors should also consider the potential risks and whether News Corp has better uses for that $1 billion, such as investing in new technologies or expanding its existing businesses. Ultimately, this buyback announcement doesn't radically change our view of News Corp. It's a fairly standard practice, but it's important to understand the motivations behind it. It's just one piece of the puzzle when evaluating the company's overall health and prospects. Now it's time for my thoughts. I would say that it's not a bad sign overall. They are choosing to reinvest in the company. Thanks for watching this episode of Corporate Decoder. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please like, comment and subscribe for more insights into the world of corporate filings.